Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the chef's kitchen.
What are we making today? We've got beets, a little salad. The beets have been boiled till they're soft. We're going to peel those beets. That skin should rub right off. And then I've got a little smoking set up here.
These almonds?
These Marcona almonds. I make my own ricotta, and you're gonna feed me the honey and the olive oil. There we go. A little whipped ricotta. Now feed me a little olive oil in there. A little piece of flatbread just on the grill. The beets themselves, I don't want it perfect.
Okay.
Microplane here into the lemon whipped ricotta. Yep. Flip that bread over. So we've got a little teardrop plate. We're gonna follow that.
Little herb oil.
Fan of that. A little bit of honey on the beets. These are a great snack.
They really are.
And then beets, work across. Oh, yummy. We've got a little bit of this micro, a little bit of whole parsley. I'm gonna take a little bit of frisee, a little bit of this Evo.
Okay. This almost looks too pretty to eat. That's never stopped me before, so. Oh, the beets are so tender, and that ricotta is
that ricotta's
amazing.
You put a good, just the right amount of honey in there.
You're known for your seafood, but seriously, don't sleep on everything else on the menu. Bank Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar, there's nothing bad on that menu.